Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Today we are off to Harley's to do a bit of a crappy job. I'm ripping out a toilet. So anyway, lovely sunshine today. Gonna get loads of solar, which is what we like. I'll see you there. So I've come down to Harley and the road's closed getting into where Harley is for gasworks, and the farmer that owns this road has given permission to open that gate there so you can come in through this road. And some very, very thoughtful people, probably because they're being a bit petty because there's houses over there, have parked their cars in front of the gate. So I've come down this single track lane. Harley's literally on the other side of that gate, and I'm gonna have to reverse down all the way down this single track lane now, and make my way round through the village. And I don't know the way, but we're going to try and figure that out. So now I have to reverse for about a quarter of a mile down here. Good job, people. So here we are driving through the town. This took me about 3 miles out of my way, no, probably 4 miles out of my way in total. We've got a fuel crisis, and people are making me drive an extra 4 miles. Thank you very much for that. Anyway, so we ended up coming all the way round, and as you can see as I come up the road, there they are, look, at the end of this road. And I was literally just there, and Harley is literally to the left of here. Brilliant. Nice one. Right, so here's the deal. This is coming out, and that dog is going in here. No, that's going in here. Compost toilet. Is it a compost toilet?
Yeah, well, bag and bin system.
Bag and bin system, like a separation toilet, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, let's get on it. Alright, here it goes. So this is the toilet. It's quite large, so we've got to make sure it fits. Okay, so this one's obviously narrower, isn't it? So we may have to extend the platform. Well, there it is, offered up. So I think we'll be alright. It's only overlapping a very slight bit, so it's alright, I think. It's not going to tip, is it? So that makes things easier anyway. Apart from the fact somebody expanding foamed this all in, don't know who that was. There's screws everywhere, screws all along here. It's all one unit, so it's the only way to get it out, really. So here we go. Victory is mine. It bleeds, it dies. That's where it's going to live. It works perfectly, just need to make this all good. Even got an escape hatch. In case, I don't know why you want an escape hatch there.
You never know.
Why do you want an escape hatch there?
Adam's.
Ah, okay. Good one. And there is the dunny, as they say in Australia, because this is Australian. We're going to paint it another day because the filler's still going off. There it is, mate. There's your Danny, mate.
The Danny.
Good job. Right, I am back. That's a nice toilet, actually. I quite like the idea of that, and it is removable, so you can take it out when you want to get in the shower and all that kind of thing. Separation toilet looks like a good product, but I'm sure Harley will do a full review of that. I'll have to go back another day though to paint it, or probably end of this week. I don't know. But that's fine. And then we'll do the whole room and reseal everything and all that stuff and make it all lovely. She did message me and say it does tip forward, so I'm going to have to put something there to stop it tipping forward. I don't know if we can anchor it to the wall maybe, or just put something underneath that front bit just to stop it doing that, I suppose. Shouldn't be a problem. Shouldn't be a problem though. Anyway, it is now getting on. I'm going to have to go and get Tracy in a minute, and then we're off to the next park up, so giving it a few coats now. It's doing all right. There's a few bits to feel still. There's a water stain down there, which I'm going to have to put some blocker on. But the other problem we've got here, I don't know if you can see it. See that? There's movement in the shower tray, which means it needs reinforcing underneath the van. I suspect it's rotten there underneath. So we'll have to have a look at that before we silicone. And obviously we'll paint the tray as well and all of that stuff. Fix that vent back on. I'll cut myself. Feel sorry for me. Morning. Right, so if you want to take out your old toilet, your old chemical cassette toilet, and you've got one of these old vans or even a newer van, you can do it quite easily and have one of these said toilets in. The one she's got is, I can't remember what company it's from, but she will do a whole review of it on her channel, obviously, so do check her out. And it's already working much better for them, so that's really good. Also creates more space in the shower, so because that can be taken in and out. It's not a permanent fixture, if that makes sense. Anyway, there's a bit more work to do in there, there's a bit more filling to do, and obviously we need to silicone up around the tray. The tray is moving, so we need to reinforce that as well, but we'll get to it, no problem at all. Right, I'm doing a Dinky Sinks delivery. I've got to go down the post office and post another sink. Awesome stuff. We have some trouble in Camp Dinky Sinks, and I will reveal all when I can. Yeah. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And God bless you. And here's the jingle.
We'll ride these roads forever. Side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. With laughter and loving every turn we take. This van called Amazing Grace, no chance will break.